Hello, my name is Gabriella Bavone and welcome to my Artisan Bazaar. In today's video, I will be showing you how to upcycle this beautiful fluffy cushion from a shrunken jumper and an old pillow that I saved from being thrown away. So for this project, I will need a few basic items. An old jumper, an old pillow, some fabric for the internal case, scissors and thread. I'll be using a sewing machine, but you don't necessarily need one if you can hand stitch. The first step is to make a pillow. This is fairly simple, just cut out your material, fold over the side about 1 cm and stitch around. Remember to leave a gap so that you can fill it. And that's Ben the dog, my grand pet. Next, we take the stuffing from our old pillow and stuff the new one, then finish off with the sewing. Now I'm checking to make sure the jumper will fit, and once I'm happy with that, I cut the jumper, trying to keep the whole thing as square as possible. Now for the hand stitching. For this project I'm going to use a blanket stitch. I'm going to double up my thread so that it's stronger and more durable. I'll thread all the way around on this one because I can use the button of the jumper to open up the pillow to put the stuffing in once I'm done. It's always so satisfying when the thread is as long as the piece. I call it serendipity. Because the yarn I'm using is so fluffy, I'll brush it with a toothbrush so I can pull out all the fluff from the stitch. And here is the final product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Please support the channel by liking, subscribing and leaving a comment below. Thank you. Bye.